In this question, it is given that P matrix is equal to this, Q is equal to PA P transpose, and A matrix equal to this, then P transpose Q to the power 2007 into P is equal to this 2 by 2 matrix. You have to find the value of 2A plus B plus 3C minus 4D. For doing this question, remember this concept that suppose P, Q, R, S is a 2 by 2 matrix in which PR plus QS is 0, PQ plus RS is also 0, and the value of determinant of this matrix is 1. Then remember this thing that for this matrix, if you multiply by its transpose, you will be getting a identity matrix. That is, for this type of matrix, its transpose is the inverse of this matrix. That is, if I say this is the matrix X and the three conditions I have told you are satisfied, then in that case X transpose will be equal to X inverse. And this type of matrix in which these conditions are satisfied, that matrix is called orthogonal matrix. And you can see very easily, this into this plus this into this is 0, this into this plus this into this is 0, and the value of determinant of this matrix is 1. Therefore, for this matrix, P transpose will be equal to P inverse. That is, I can say P into P transpose will be equal to identity matrix. Keeping this fact in mind, first I find the value of Q square. Clearly, Q square will be equal to P A P transpose into P A P transpose. And using associative property, I can write it as P A P transpose into P into A into P transpose. That is, associative property says that provided I keep the order of terms same, you can multiply any two terms first. I'm multiplying P transpose into P first. This is equal to P A, and because it will be identity matrix and identity matrix into any matrix is same, therefore I will get P A into P transpose. That is, I will be getting P A square P transpose. Now if I want to find Q cube, you will be writing Q cube as Q square into Q, and proceeding in the same way you will be getting P A cube P transpose, and finally you will get Q to the power 2007 will be equal to P A to the power 2007 into P transpose. And now putting this value of Q to the power 2007 in left hand side, I will be getting P transpose into P into A to the power 2007 into P transpose into P. That is equal to A to the power 2007, because P transpose into P is I. And now I will find the value of A to the power 2007. Usually for converting any higher power to lower power, we take the help of Hamilton theorem. But in this case, it is already very simple. Therefore, I will not be using Cayley-Hamilton theorem to find the value of this. Here, A square is equal to 1101 into 1101. This is equal to 1, 2, 0, 1, and now a cube is equal to a square into a, that is equal to 1, 2, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 0, 1 is equal to, clearly you will be getting 1 here, 3 here, 0 here, and 1 here. Now it is not difficult to observe that every time we multiply by a, this element will be increased by 1, but these three elements will remain same. Therefore, I can say a to the power 2007 will be equal to 1, 2007, 0, 1. And this thing I had proved here, it is a to the power 2007. Hence, I can say this is a to the power 2007, and because this is ABCD, hence I can say this is equal to A, B, C, D. Therefore, A equal to 1, B equal to 2007, and C equal to 0, and D equal to 1. Therefore, the value of 2A plus B plus 3C minus 4D is equal to 2 into 1 plus 2007 plus 3 into 0 minus 4 into 1. This is equal to 2005. Hence, I can say first choice is the correct choice.